few more words I can say in Japanese is konnichiwa, arigato gozaimasu.
I've been doing this more than 20 years.
So for 20 years you know this dance?
Yeah, you have to learn everything. I've been here like 15 years.
For 15
Yeah,
years?
I live here. हाँ हिंदी भी आते हैं.
Hindi aata hai आपको. That's great. Your favorite Indian food?
Plain dosa.
प्लेन डोसा. नमस्ते, मैं आया हूँ गार्डन ऑफ 5 सेंसेस में साकेत में. यहाँ पर है अभी जापानीज इंडिया फेस्ट. ये इंटरकल्चरल फेस्टिवल है. यहाँ पर खाने मिलेंगे, यहाँ पर इंटरकल्चरल फेस्ट होगा, यहाँ पर डांस प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, यहाँ पर इंडियंस आए हैं, यहाँ पर भारतीय आए हैं और इवन जापानीज भी आए हुए हैं. और इनसे अभी जानकारी लेते हैं कि यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं, यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है, यहाँ पर क्या क्या चीज़ें हो रही है. तो चलिए जाते हैं और पूछते हैं और जानकारी लेते हैं. हाँ, तो अभी हम एक भारतीय महिला को देख रहे हैं, वो भी जापानीज कपड़ा पहने. तो इनसे जाके पूछते हैं कि ये कौन सा कपड़ा है एंड देन ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट इट. पहले आपका नाम क्या है मैम?
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्राची है और मैं हरियाणा से हूँ और आज मैं जापानीज कल्चर को देखने आई हूँ.
ओके, और आपके कपड़े के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता सकते हो?
मैंने अभी जापानीज ड्रेस वियर किया हुआ है जिसको किमोनो बोलते हैं, जिसे जापानीज फीमेल्स वियर करती हैं. या
और ये कितना पुराना होगा ये कपड़ा? लाइक व्हिच सेंचुरी इट वुड हैव बीन?
इट्स डिकेड्स अलोंग. बहुत साल पुराने हैं तो, क्योंकि ना राइट नाउ सो एवरीबडी इज वेयरिंग वेस्टर्न कल्चर बट दीज आर देयर ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स which they wear on the festivals, on other weddings, so they wear these kind of clothes on the festivals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any favorite Japanese food?
I can't eat because I'm vegetarian, but yeah, mochi is my favorite.
ओके, मोची के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो आप?
I just seen some videos on the Instagram, just know about that much.
Oh, okay. And anything else about the Japanese culture? आप क्यों प्रेरणा लेते हो जापानीज कल्चर से?
The civic sense, the respect to the other cultures, and the equality among the peoples. That's why I like the Japanese culture.
Okay. So anything else which is intrigued? I mean the anime, the manga culture.
Yeah, I just watched few animes like Demon Slayer, Jujutsu Kaisen, and just few more words I can say in Japanese is konnichiwa, arigato gozaimasu.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
जैसे कि आपने देखा कि शुसो एनर्जेटिक एकदम एनर्जी से बात कर रही थी. हमने उनसे पूछा कि वो जापानीज कल्चर से इतना प्रेरणा क्यों लेती है. तो अभी हम एक और महिला से बात करेंगे कि वो कौन सा कपड़े पहनी है, कौन सा कॉस्ट्यूम पहना उन्होंने. सो कैन यू डिस्क्राइब योर आउटफिट?
Yeah, actually, I'm Gojo Satoru. If you've watched Jujutsu Kaisen, so female version.
Okay. So can you tell us about this character?
Yeah, actually, this is a very popular character.
About the hair, how did you manage the wig?
I've got it from Amazon.
So okay. So your parents allowed for the wig?
Yeah, sure, of course. I'm old enough now, so I don't think I need their permission for these small things.
Okay, that's great. What makes you inspired from the Japanese culture?
Yeah, actually, ever since I was a child, I've always loved anime because they're such colorful characters and all of that. So that's really appealing to me.
Your favorite anime?
It's still Death Note after all these years. Yeah.
Okay. Your first anime?
It was probably Pokemon as a child. That's what.
And your favorite food?
Food.
In Japanese culture?
Probably sushi. It's very lightweight and nice. You don't feel bloated after, so.
So how does your Indian buds get along with sushi, because it's mostly dry?
Because I like, I enjoy this lightweight kind of food that they have in Japanese cuisine. It's quite different, but yeah, it's not bad.
तो अभी हम एक जापानीज महिला के साथ यहाँ पर है और फिर वो ओडिशा डांस जो है, ओडिया डांस जो है, वो उसको जानती है. सो मैम, सिंस व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग दिस डांस फॉर्म?
I've been doing this more than 20 years.
So for 20 years you know this dance?
Yeah.
What difficulties did you face?
It's the difference of the culture, and this is very classic dance, so you have to learn the everything. It's not about the stepping or like that. You have to learn everything.
And how did you manage the wordings? Like, because Hindi words, there are Odia words, and then you being a Japanese, how did you articulate those words?
Actually, when you learn the items, you have to remember the each song and meaning.
Okay. And since when are you here in India?
I've been here like 15 years.
15
Yeah,
years.
I live here.
So you know Hindi, ma'am?
हाँ हिंदी भी आते हैं.
Hindi aata hai aapko. That's great. Your favorite Indian food?
Plain dosa.
Plain dosa. Anything in Delhi you like? North Indian?
North Indian. Butter chicken curry. Butter chicken curry.
Okay. And your favorite Japanese food, ma'am?
Sushi.
Which one?
Maguro sushi. Tuna sushi.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Thank you.
तो अभी हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं तो फिर इन्होंने जापानीज फेस्ट में स्पाइडरमैन का कॉस्ट्यूम पहना है. सो व्हाई स्पाइडरमैन इन अ जापानीज फेस्ट?
Because I love Spider-Man. Spider-Man is everywhere.
इवन इन जापान?
Yes, yes, even in Japan.
Okay. Any favorite thing you like in Japan?
Ramen.
कौन सा वाला ramen?
Ramen. Naruto वाला बिल्कुल.
Naruto वाला.
Yes.
Okay. And then कुछ और खाना अच्छा लगता है जापान में आपको?
Yes, yes, sushi.
कौन सा वाला sushi?
I eat kimbap.
Kimbap.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And favorite anime?
Favorite anime Naruto.
Naruto.
Yes.
Death Slayer, वो Demon Slayer और Death Note नहीं?
No. They are good, but Naruto is something else for me. I enjoy watching Naruto.
Okay, वो बचपन से देख के आए इसलिए.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. तो आपने जो ड्रेस पहना है इसके बारे में कुछ आप बता सकते हो?
Yeah, it's a cultural men's dress called Kyoto Kanto. I don't remember that. And I'm very fascinated with Japanese culture. I'm into anime so much. I like watch it while I wake up, when I sleep, and like that. So I'm very excited being here and wearing this like cultural Japanese. I'm experiencing this for first time.
Okay. And why are you so inspired by Japanese culture?
Japanese culture, for me personally, it's very serene, calm, and I can't even explain it. You can see that I'm not finding any words to explain about it.
Japanese
Yeah, I'm so overwhelmed by this.
Okay. Your favorite food in Japan?
My favorite food, it has to be ramen.
Which one?
The chicken cutlet one, chicken katatsu one.
Okay. And anything else in Japan you like about?
Actually, I'm starting to learn Japanese. I can introduce myself in Japanese if you want.
Yeah, do it.
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Shaurya desu. Yoroshiku.
And उसका मतलब क्या है?
Hello, my name is Shaurya and nice to meet you.
Okay. And what's your favorite anime?
My favorite anime, there are a lot, but if I have to go with one, I'll say that time I got reincarnated as a slime.
Okay.
And Naruto.
Okay. And your favorite singer in Japan, or is there any favorite band in Japan?
Ado.
Ado. Why Ado?
She has very multifaceted, or I'll say so many different types of voices. Like once she's screaming and like laughing screaming her throat out, then her voice is like so calm and kawaii.
Thank you. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you so much. Same.
अभी जैसे कि आपने सुना कि यहाँ भी हमने सबसे बात किया जो जापानीज कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहन के आए थे वो जापानीज कल्चर से इतना इंस्पायर्ड हैं, उनके खाने से, उनके कल्चर से, उनके हर चीज़ों से. तो इसी से मैं समाप्त करता हूँ. मैं आदित्य आचार्य, कैमरामैन लोकेश ठाकुर, न्यूज़ पथ, दिल्ली.